Hello and welcome to the SaturdayMP show, episode number 17, being recorded on October 31st, 2023. So happy Halloween. Hope your day's good, maybe a slightly spooky, not too scary. Just enough to elevate your heart rate just a little bit, just enough spooks to make you kind of smile after. Anyway, I am your host, Chris. And this is the show where we teach you how to ship secure high quality software faster. And today we're going to do that by looking at we're going to try a hack the box exercise, or try to hack a box machine, I guess would be the correct terminology for it. And I've been playing around with hack the box for the past year or so. I'm not an expert hacker by any means. The last, most of my career, 20 years of my career, has been writing software as securely as possible and kind of knowing when there's been a vulnerability, or kind of being able to tell now. I can tell when code kind of is insecure, but oftentimes I don't know how to actually exploit that. And that's where kind of doing these hack the box exercises is really useful, as you get an idea of how an actual exploit works. And just because you have an SQL injection or some cross-site scripting attack or incorrectly configured server, kind of shows, at least I've been learning, how people actually take advantage of those rather than just kind of knowing that they exist. Like, how would you actually do something with it? And sometimes it's harder than you'd think. It can be really tricky. Anyway, so today we're going to do the Busqueda machine here. I haven't read anything about it. I've just kind of I haven't done the walkthrough or anything before. I've just kind of read the machine info. It looks like it has injection, some source code analysis, custom applications, like hard-coded credentials. That's something I actually see quite a bit with clients, is hard-coded credentials. When we take a look at, do a review of their software. The other one I see all the time is credentials in Git, production credentials, like database credentials. Like there was one client where I found their production database credentials, and then took a quick peek and noticed that their database was not actually behind a firewall or anything. So that was really interesting. So, and their database didn't need to be exposed. Like it should have been locked down to just a couple IP addresses and only accessible by the application. So yeah, so that was kind of interesting. So just stuff like that I see. I've seen injection before, outdated software, a lot of dependencies you see all the time. So hopefully this will be an exercise where I can actually do it, because we're going to just do this live, and we're going to see, well, live like I'm recording it, but this could be an exercise in frustration for me. So there is a walkthrough over here. Hopefully I won't need it, but who knows? We might have to poke around in that walkthrough if I get stuck. So. And this is a Hack the Box. It's a website you can go to where they have coding exercises. And we're going to do a retired machine, this Busqueda. It's Spanish for search, if I remember correctly. This is a retired machine, so I can record it. Actually, let me take a quick look at that here. Let's see. Oh no. What does this guy mean? Let's see. Oh, search or quest. Okay, so that's what we're gonna do. So, let's just get started here. I guess another thing to do, if you find any of this interesting, and you would like me to do more of these videos, or different types of videos, or whatever types of videos you want me to do, send an email to ask@SaturdayMP.com, ask@SaturdayMP.com. Or you can leave some comments in below the video here. That would be much appreciated. Yeah, or if you have a question you'd like me to answer in a future video, software or security related, or consulting, business related, any of that, just give me a shout. So, all right, let's get started here. So, I think I already put up. So I got a bunch of stuff set up here. So this is the IP address of the server that we're going to be investigating. So usually one of the first things we do in this is we run an nmap So let's do that. Just paste there. So IP address. So we'll get that running. And then let's see, we got Burp Suite browser open here. So let's see if we can go to that. Is there actually anything running? Oh, I don't want to go to HTTP. Yeah, Chrome I think now requires all requests to go to HTTPS. So, what ports has it found? It found 2 ports. Oh, okay. Yeah, I found something. Oh, it looks like there's SSH and a website, but of course. Oh, right. How do I? So this is a recent event where Chrome automatically forces HTTPS, and I can't remember how I got around that. I think, well, it's Burp Suite, so we might as well just, let's intercept that. And let's send the request to here. And I think we can just get rid of this upgrade insecure requests here. There we go. And we can just forward that. Yeah, that's fine. This is a nice thing to have, but it really messes with your, when you're trying to, I don't think we need to intercept anything now. Searcher.hack the man, okay, what the heck is going on here? I don't know what searcher, maybe that's my old because we did set up some, let's see, in, all right, set, oh yeah, these are some of the other ones I've tried before, so those don't look like it. So okay, let's just go, what is my IP address that I want? This one, we might as well add it in here. Paste. And what should we call this one? How did I spell that? Oh, there it is. Okay. Busqueda dot hack the box. Busqueda. All right. Oh shoot! I gotta do this as admin. Yeah. Okay, let's try this again. Paste. Busqueda.hackthebox. So I don't know if we'll need that or not, but sometimes that could be useful. Okay, so we're almost there. No, I don't know why it's going to searcher. Let's turn this back on. I don't want this. Forward. That. Forward. Continue to site. Oh, maybe this is what. Oh, maybe this is what is redirecting me to. So, okay, I think I've. All right, I need to update my. This, I think needs to be, because I think what's happening is this HTTP. Oh yeah, right. Oh, okay. All right. Duh, it's redirecting me right here. Okay, so. And if I could spell searcher correctly, that would help. S-E-A-R-C-H-E-R. Okay. Now, oops. Let's just turn that off. Stupid search. Okay, let's try this again. I have to figure out if there's like a setting in Chrome where you can just turn this off. Okay, so that looks like it worked. Ah, okay, cool. Here we are. So here's the actual website. Search anything with Searcher. Select your search engine. Oh, look at all these search engines. So I don't know if these it'll actually send it to these search engines, but I don't know. Sure, let's see Edmonton. Oh, auto redirect. That's probably potentially interesting. So a lot of these probably don't do anything. So a lot of hack the box websites that design to look like a real website, but they don't write out the whole thing. So engine AccuWeather, query Edmonton. Okay. Oh, it just builds a search query for us. Oh wow, that's really interesting. What if we redirect? Oh, it does take us to AccuWeather. Okay. If we don't redirect, it just gives us a query name, or the query that it wants to use. Okay, okay, that's interesting. All right, so okay, so there's that, and then where did my terminal go? There we are. So okay, so we got OpenSSH 8.9, and then we're running Apache Service Info Searcher. Okay. So let's, I'm just gonna take this out of here, put it in my notes. Oh, wrong one. Where's there we are. There, so we can see that for later. Now, what do I want to redirect to? Okay, let's look at the history. What did the search? The engine was AccuWeather, and the query was Edmonton. What are all the ones in Bugzilla? Wow, there's a ton of them in here. So they must obviously have some mapping between these and other ones. It returns this query. Well, what happens if I oh, what if we just put blah, like a search engine doesn't exist? Let's see what it does. Oh, this is a lot. Oh, that's all the stuff in the. I think it just took me back to the page. Import URL. It's the only downside, I guess, to having these small. Can I make this any smaller? No. Let's just hide that for now. Did it put an error or anything on here? That's what I'm looking for. Doesn't look like it. Yeah, there's all the search engines. Okay, interesting. Okay, let's go back and look at the unpack the box here just for any tips. Okay, so injection. Okay. Is there an admin? No. I'm not sure what to do next here. This is where it kind of gets stuck. Let's, I am going to let's look at this site on just Firefox here, because I have, oh, I don't have it enabled. Where are my extensions? Oh yeah, we can turn both these back on. Their default search engine, yes. So I'm curious what this Wapalizer tells me. Oh, okay, we're running the Flask framework, Python 3.10. Okay, interesting. Now, what can I do? Let's take a look at the source of this here. Actually, let's do this. Wrong one. View page source. Let me just take this and let's throw it into just VS Code here. Because it said something about clear text credentials and encoded credentials. FlashPaletteProjects.com. I guess this is always kind of the slowest part, just trying to figure out what you're going to do first. Form action, it takes you to /search as a post. Okay. So nothing crazy there. Just all this CSS. I don't see anything. Okay. Don't see much there. Now I'm so it gives me that URL. Let's put Edmonton back in here. HTTPS. Let's see if I try a different one. Let's try Brave, sure. Okay. So this is where if you're smarter than me, you're yelling at me what to do, but I'm not seeing it. So I might, okay, let's just save this as index. Okay, so it's running Flask and Apache. So what version of Flask was it running? Oh, I should have written that down. Where's my other browser there? Do I still have it open? Oops. This is Flask 2.12 and Python 3.10.6. Okay, let's write those down. Flask 2.1.2, Python 3.10.6. Okay, so I don't know anything about Flask. Where am I gonna? Can I redirect that to? Like that doesn't do anything. So if I just did Brave and Edmonton. Okay. Now, does it properly escape? Is that how you do it? Let's see. Well, it looks like it might, so let's see. Just try this in here. What's if I auto redirect? Oh, that's really interesting. That's a lot of that's a lot of garbage. Search. Huh. So I go to Apple. I just put Edmonton for Apple. Oh yeah, so a lot of these a lot of them are not liking these special characters. Okay, but it does look like it formats it. Okay. Is this vulnerable to SQL injection? Oh, kind of looks like it does there, eh? Maybe. Huh, okay, that's interesting. I don't get anything back. What if I do Ask Ubuntu. Interesting. Oh, it takes you to Stack Overflow. Oh, apparently. Oh, interesting. Something appears there. Okay. All right. I'm getting a little stumped on what to do. All right. Do we take a peek at the walkthrough? Okay. Common code and presented in a Python module. Oh, maybe I got to inject some Python code. So we did the nmap. Done. We did that. Done. We're in the searcher page. And search or. Oh, maybe I'm missing something here. Oh, this is where my lack of Python. Oh, okay. Let's not look too. Let's move that out of the way. I'll just scroll up so I don't see it. Let's go. I guess I could bring this back here. Let's what was it? Search or? Oh. So we're going to look for, this is 2.40, so we're going to look at the change log, is what they suggested, and let's see, do they have a change log? Under notice, maybe? Oh, okay. Here's the changes. How do I see other changes? I guess I have to go look. I wish I had a change log. So, okay. So here's the version we are, 2.40. Yes, 2.40. And let's see if they fix something. Patched a priority vulnerability in the searcher CLI. Check out the patch here. Okay. Removed eval from search CLI method. By passing engine as attribute because enum in Python is a set of members each being. What did they change? Okay, so it used to eval. I'm going to look exactly what eval does in Python again. Oh, but it looked like it built a string here. The engine and the query and the open option to that. Oh, okay. So we could. I'm assuming there's a way to muck with that somehow. Okay, so what does eval do? So let's. What does the eval method in Python do? So it's just a string. So it'll just change. Oh, so just run it as Python code. Oh yeah. Oh, okay. That's super interesting. Okay. So it's just, I don't know what the F. What does an F in front of a Python string do? Oh, an F string. A format. Is it a string interpolation? Okay. So it's just going to replace when it finds a variable name and age. Oh, okay, okay. So when it finds those variables. Okay. So we have. Let's take this whole string out of here. So I'm assuming engine is what gets passed in a query. And open. I don't know what copy URL does, but. And then let's go Python editor. Online Python. Okay. Is there a run here? Let's see, run this. All right, it's going to error out because those are annoying. All right, the other thing I should do real quick here is let's use block origin. All right, good. I don't really like that one. Is there a better one? I think there was a site. Try it online. Python. There. Alright, I think this is Python. They were running Python 3. So in this case, we would want query. I don't know. Let's just put a. I need engine too. Engine equals a, or let's put E for engine, Q for query. Copy URL equals. Assuming it's got to be true or false. Let's put false and open web. Let's put that as false. I think Python supports. I don't need semicolons in Python. All right, let's see. Oh, false is not defined. How do you define a Boolean in Python? Is it just true or false? Or just one or two? Oh, that to be capitalized. Okay. False. False. All right. Copy is not. Oh, it's not the copy URL, but this is copy. And that's just open, not open web. So I'll just put that back to open. Okay, and then is it print? All right. Oh, print with brackets. Okay. Okay, so this is what it prints out right now. Engine.e.search. Oh, okay, so it's engine dot whatever. search, but we could probably do some crazy shenanigans with all this stuff after. Now, how would, again, this is where somebody knows what they're doing, is probably like yelling at the screen, but I'm not so. So actually, let's take this string. Let's call this just a command. All right, so that's the original command. What's a comment in Python? Is how do you comment code in Python? Yeah, pound. Oh, okay, that's great. So if we did something like, okay, so that's the original query. So we changed our query to equal like a single quote. So open web, open, so the open is all, maybe I want to do the open. I'm pretty sure that's got to be the checkbox. Let's take a look at that. So let's go back to our proxy here. Just clear history. And then turn this on, and then let's search. Oh, okay, so it passes in a thing called auto redirect. Okay, so let's take that, put that in my notes. And just in case we lose this page, we'll just put this in here too. Okay, so it puts auto redirect, and that obviously just must mean true. Engine query auto redirect. Get search. Oh yeah, sure. All right, we don't need that. Okay. All right, this is where I think if I'm going to continue doing these hack the boxes, I need to get better at Python. So, so it does put the query in a little bit of a string, because what does it create? Oh yeah, it puts it down here. So, I think queries are best bet, hey? Because we'd want to end that string. How would I do that? I want to end the current, whoops, end the currents, that little string. Then I need this to, no, it'll replace that whole thing, I think. So, and then I need to, I think that's the escape for, I wonder if that's escape in Python. Right, because I got to escape this guy, and then I got to escape out of there. Oh no, I don't actually want to escape out of that. I don't think I want to like do something like maybe I close that bracket and then print hello. All right, what's that gonna get me? Invalid syntax. Oh, right, I need to. Okay, see, yeah, see now we got this empty search command. How do you, can you use semicolons in Python? Okay, so how do you separate does Python use semicolons? Okay. Okay, so we can use it to separate them on the same lines. Okay, I was trying to think Python. I don't remember seeing a lot of semicolons, but that is great news. Okay, but why did I end up? Oh, and then I got to put the comment like this, because we don't care about the rest of that crap. Now, so maybe just because I won't be able to run engine here, let's change this to be something that I can run. So print engine, and let's just get rid of the search thingy here. Right, so I would just print these. Okay, sure. Let's put that. What did that? Okay, now I want to try and run. So let's do this in another tab. Or no, we could do it in the same tab. Can we just do eval command? Print E. Oh, E is not a. Right. Sure. Let's just. See if I can get this like this. Syntax error. Invalid syntax. Don't like the semicolon. Why is that? Can I do this? Oh, is it because print E, print hello? Can I do this? Print hello. Oh, okay. I got the E. I got hello. Oh, I got a typo somewhere in my. what did I have here? So print E, print, yeah. Oh, I can't eval a command with semicolons? Is that what the problem is? So what happens if I just eval? Oh, does this all have to be like in a E? Is that how it has to be? Okay, but I think yeah, so it's going to eval this string. I can't just be can I eval this or no? No, same thing. Okay. Eval engine. Click echo URL. Searcher history.update engine. Okay, I think we're pretty close. I think we're really close. What am I missing? Okay. We got E, we got hello. Oh, I think we're pretty close though. So if I go back to this. So the query, even the engine. What I want to do. No, that should be fine. Let it do its search thingy. Yeah, like I end. Oh, because this command isn't. Like this single quote should be here. Oh, but then the E. I just need something to be here. So So if I left it as this, it's going to... It's going to complain about engine. No, invalid syntax. Why? Why does it not like this syntax? Yeah, engine is not defined. What am I missing? Okay, so am I missing the closing string? Like, is that what I'm missing? No, that's not going to do anything. I think I'm pretty close, but I don't know what I'm missing. So I created a string. So it's going to close off this. Put a bracket around it. Okay. Let's see if ChatGPT, what is wrong with the following Python code? Eval. Oh, no. Your spelling. Do. Might as well put the whole thing in here. Let's see. Do you have any useful suggestions? With security. Yeah. That's great. This engine string values avoid using eval. Yeah. Although the backslash is unnecessary and misplaced. Oh. So I don't need this? Is that what I was missing this whole time? No. Okay, so let's do Python eval. All right, this is starting to go long. I might have to end this here. Or at least poke around a little bit. Okay, but I think that's the right idea. We're trying to do something like this. If we don't put that closing, we're going to get something really weird. Yeah. Because it's an empty string? Okay, let's take a look. Because I think we were pretty close. That was the right idea. Yeah, we found the vulnerability. We found that. Oh, they actually downloaded the thing. Must employ the plus operator. Oh, okay. Oh, is that what we missed? So where did they have their... Nope, 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 nope. Oh, close after the close. Okay, okay. So if we go up here, closed it, plus. Do they even use a... Do we need to do that? Let's see. Ah, okay. There we go. This is exactly what we need. Okay. Okay, so it's just me not knowing Python well enough. But okay, so this is kind of the way to abuse this string. So let's see if that actually works. So let's go here. Hey, look at that. Okay, so now the other one we could try is, I think, was it PHP info? Info, I think like this. How does PHP info work again? Okay, that was pretty neat. What is, I think it's just PHP info. What is PHP info? Oh yeah, just the command. Did that not work? Plus PHP info got me nothing. Oh, maybe I need to do print. That's not working. Okay, so but anyway, that we were able to do that, so that was good, right? We got our hello, great. Now, the next thing we're going to want to do, so we have that working. What are we going to try and do? We're going to try and list the files, maybe. Like, what are they doing here? Import OS. That's the. Okay, well, we looked at this. Let's see what this actually does. Oh, okay. Yeah, that gives us our UUID and everything. Okay. So we're running as user 1000. So what else could we execute on this machine? Right, so yeah, this is usually like a normal user. Can we list our how do I list contents of a directory in Python? Pathlib. Use the OS module. So this, I think this thing told us how to import. Yeah, OS. All right, import OS. So we could import all sorts of things. Lister. Sure, let's see what's in the user's home folder. So that's what we're gonna need. Okay, so OS lister. Import OS system. This is going to be lister. I don't know, it's lister. Is that going to work? Oh, no. Query equals SVC. 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 Okay, cool. There we go. Now we can see all sorts of things inside their machine. Oh, there's a user.txt. How do I cat that now? Let's copy this. And let's just turn on view word wrap. Cache user.txt. Well, I don't know. Let's see what the user.txt is. Maybe that's the flag. I think maybe that's the first flag we got to get. And maybe that'll be a great time to end this video now. Oh, okay. The other thing is they're changing all this into a string using that stir command. Oh, that's way easier than trying to escape all the single quotes and double quotes. Okay. Interesting. Okay, OS. Now I want to this one. How do I file contents in Python? Because the other thing we could try is we could just try executing a random OS command. I kind of want to print open file. Looks like a lot of work. How do I run? Do I run a OS command in Linux? Subprocess module. Oh, okay. That has possibilities. So we'll try this, and if this doesn't work, then maybe we'll subprocess.run. So I'm assuming I have to import subprocess and then call the run command. And in this case, I'm going to want to run cat home svc user.txt. And these need to be in single quotes like this, with a comma in between, and then end that array. Oh no, I got something wrong here. Okay, let's go take a look at our Python thing here. Oops, no. Clean this up a little bit. So we'd want to do what? Eval. What's that going to complain about? Unexpected end of file while processing. 1, 2, 3. Oh, am I missing a closing bracket? SVC or SCV? Oops, I guess I should have written that down. os.lister home like this. Oh no, now I can't even get the... There we go. SVC. Alright, so now I need to change this to... What was that again? I'll just move this over here for now. Subprocess. Let's put this over here. Process. I think we want run. And we want cat home svc / user.txt. There. like that. Oh, that's not working. So run subprocess. Oh, I got one too many in there. Ah, okay, there we go. Complete process args, return. Oh. That's no good. I want you to actually spit out the command. Oh, and then I have to print the standard out. Oh, so that's going to give me a result, and I can just put the standard out. Okay, so I think I can just do this. Dot std out. Oh yeah, there we go. That's probably the flag right there. Cool. So okay, let's see if that's actually the flag. So if we go to hack the box, because I think there's two. There's a root one, and there's the. This is the user flag. All right. Wow, I'm pretty happy. I don't know. Maybe that was not too easy for me. I had to look at the help thing, but I'm not a smart man. So I don't know. Maybe write in and tell me how hard you thought that was. Send me put a comment in there or whatever, and maybe we can use that to base on. But yeah, all right. Wow, that was about an hour. Okay, so I think. Okay, I'm just going to peek a little bit ahead just to see what they suggested to do here. Yeah, because we got the ID. I don't remember if we got all of these things. We're going to have to double check some of this. Man, my notes are not that great. See? So what happens when you don't take notes. Oh, they did an interactive shell. Okay. I guess that's something I should try for next time. But I think I'm just gonna leave it there. We got that. We got the thing. We got it. Nailed it. Yeah, those reverse shells. I have to look up how those work again. Okay, so these are reverse shell. Right, and then the same thing. Okay, so maybe, maybe next video, I'll just do a quick little video of me trying to do a reverse shell, because that's something I need to practice. I've only done it a couple times. Yeah, there's this whole website that has reverse shells. Oh yeah, so it sends this like that. I think that just opens up a port is what it does. Yeah, you just say like, hey, I have to remember what NC does. Start netcast listener. Yeah, I'd have to look what this does, but it probably does some eval SSH command or something like that back to this netcat listener here. Yeah, maybe we'll look that up next time, and then we could try the privilege X. So yeah, we got the user flag. Oh, that's really cool. Wow, I guess I'm you're probably happy with myself. All right, so yeah, I have to keep learning more Python. So so yeah, that's cool. Right. Anyway, I hope if you all found this useful, let me know. You could send me an email, ask@SaturdayMP.com, or you could put comments in YouTube below. I don't know if you like this video, hit the like button. If you didn't like it, I guess hit the dislike button, or just don't say anything at all. If you don't have anything nice to say, don't say anything at all. Yeah, and just the best way, like I said, I keep saying, is just give me feedback directly. That would be if you found this useful, if you didn't, and what you'd like to see more of. And if you want to be in a future video, or you have a question or something you want me to try or explain, I'm better at explaining software development than I am at hacking. So if you have questions about software development or being a consultant, how to set up development environments, stuff along those lines, give me a shout. Yeah, and thank you very much for watching this. I really appreciate your time, your most precious commodity, and I wish you a really great rest of the day. Take care, and I'll see you on the next video.